Hello, so today we are going to make the ears of our pony. So we will start with brown yarn and create a magic circle. Hold the end of the yarn and wrap it around your hand, forming a letter X. Insert the hook under the first strand of yarn and pull the yarn through. Pull the yarn through the loop you created and tighten both ends to form a circle. Work on this circle by making a chain followed by 6 single crochets inside the circle. So chain 1, then 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then pull the yarn to tighten the circle and close it. Then second round, make a single crochet and then increase. So single crochet, then 2 single crochet in the same stitch, and we will repeat this pattern 3 times, which is single crochet then increase, then third round, make 2 single crochet, then increase and repeat this pattern 3 times. So 2 single crochet, then increase, then another 2 single crochets, then increase. Then fourth round will be make a single crochet in each stitch all around. Then fifth round, make 2 single crochet, then increase and repeat this pattern 4 times. You will have a total of 16 stitches. Then 6th round, make a single crochet in each stitch all around, and you will have a total of 16 stitches. Then round 7, make 3 single crochet, then increase and repeat this pattern 4 times. And you will have a total of 20 stitches. Then round 8 to 15, make a single crochet in each stitch all around, and I will do these rounds off camera to keep the video short. But before that, I want to show you my new rings from Voila. It's stainless steel, gold plated, and I really love them. I will leave their details in the description box. So I will make these rounds and come back to you. After finishing the round number 15, close with a slip stitch, then pull the yarn to prepare for sewing. Fold the ear in half and make a slip stitch to shape it. Cut the yarn, leaving a long tail for sewing, and make another ear. The same way we make this one. Then making the arms, create a magic ring. Then make 6 single crochets inside the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and pull the yarn to close the circle. Then round 2 will be 6 increases, which is 2 single crochets in each stitch, for a total of 12. Then round 3 to 5 we will make single crochet in each stitch all around. Then round number 6, make a decrease, which is single crochet 2 stitches together, of course the invisible way, then 10 single crochet, which is the last stitches of the round, and you will end up with total of 11 stitches. Then round number 7, make a decrease, then single crochet in each stitch all around, which is 10 stitches in total. Sorry, 9 stitches, and the total stitches of this round will be 10. Then round 8 will be decrease, then single crochet in each stitch all around, and you will end up with 9 stitches in total. Then rounds 9 to 14, make a single crochet in each stitch all around, and I will do these rounds off camera to keep the video short. After finishing the rounds from 9 to 14, close with a slip stitch, leaving a long tail for sewing, and repeat the same steps to make the second arm. Thank you so much for watching, and we are done for today. And I really enjoyed this tutorial with you all. Hope you all do the same. Thank you, and see you next time. Bye.